Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm Jan Henry Marquez from TVL Agri. I'm going to share to you what I understand about communication breakdown. First, what is a communication breakdown? A communication breakdown is defined as a failure to exchange information resulting in a lack of communication. My own understanding about communication breakdown is that communication breakdown is a failure in communication from the word itself. It means you're able to deliver your message or information properly. How would a communication breakdown occur? The above definition is quite ambiguous. How does it lack what information wasn't exchanged? Here are some common examples of how communication breakdown in the workplace can occur to make it clearer. A member of staff making a mistake due to miscommunication or not enough information given in training. Two members of staff doing the same task and not realizing. A colleague not treating a client correctly. Certain vital tasks not being complete either on time or to the high standard because no one in the team is giving updates to each other. An overworked manager sending an email missing vital information to their team because they've got a client on their case about completing work. A junior spreading Chinese whispers about the current stage of projects completion because they misheard what the manager was saying. Not communicating properly doesn't only affect every single area of the business, but if you expect your teams to work between together, the cross-communication between them will take its toll. This means your business goes from well-oiled machine to individuals parts that simply cannot function without each other. What effects can a communication breakdown have on your business? The above causes can create many difficulties for your company and its people. This can be things such as loss of morale, demotivation, embarrassment, anger, tension amongst the team, stress caused to individuals, loss of clients, business, and sales, disorganization, gossip, higher employee turnover. How we can solve communication breakdown? The solution to communication breakdown is to work on communication skills every level of your business. Starting with management. Learn to feedback, solicit honest feedback, and respond respectfully to the information you receive.